Hi, welcome to my short video just discussing the Black Bay Tudor Dark Series PVD finish watch. On wrist video footage here for you to see. It's a lovely chunky timepiece, nice deep case size is 41mm. To the lug it's about 43-44. Does have the directional bezel, sorry. It features, they use the caliber MT5602 bidirectional rotor movement. It's got a power reserve of around about 70 hours. Durable, scratch resistant sapphire crystal glass. It's got a no date dial on this one. It's 200 meters depth of water resistance. It has the fold over clasp system. Very durable watch. I would class the PVD finish as more like a matte sort of slash satin finish. Looks nice with a suit or equally worn more casual. Got the lovely snowflake hands there. I think Tudor have really upped the game in recent years with the marketing, obviously helped by the people, obviously celebrities like David Beckham. It's definitely helped to up their game, so to speak, and become more in mainstream media. So if you're not maybe quite at the Rolex price point yet, I'd definitely consider a Tudor watch. They're very good value for money. Fantastic watch. Or a lovely addition to your Swiss watch collection maybe. So here it is, the PVD finish Tudor Black Bay. Hope you've enjoyed the video and found it informative and of help if you're maybe thinking of purchasing one. When I've had a look, I couldn't find loads of videos of real on video footage of certain watches, so I hope we found it informative. Thank you very much for watching and have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye bye.